Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. So today I'll be showing you how to make a pencil skirt with a background. My love for pencil skirt is so much. Maybe that's why I'm so excited doing this video today. People often confuse pencil skirt with a straight cut skirt. There is a slight difference between both. And in this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a pencil skirt and a straight cut skirt. I want to use this opportunity to say a huge thanks to all those who have subscribed so far to this channel. You are amazing. And if this is the first time of checking out this channel, you are welcome, but please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the bell icon just by the subscribe icon so you don't miss out on any of my future content. This video is going to be well detailed, so you might just want to watch it to the end.
Welcome to Ruby's TV.
For this tutorial, you need a pattern paper, a straight ruler, tape measure, heat curve, pencil, pen marker, and then a scissors. As you can see, I already have my lines marked. This is the waist line, this is the hip line, this is the full length of the skirt, and then I gave 1 inch extra for the folding. From the waist to the hip line is 8 inch, then I added ½ inch seam allowance for this parts of the skirt, and then from the waist to the full length is 22 inch, then I gave 1 inch seam allowance for the folding. The waist measurement is 29 divided by 4 is 7.25. So this is our 7.25 mark. Then I'm going to give 2 inch extra for the seam and the dart. Then the waist measurement is 39 divided by 4 is 9.75. So this is our 9.7 inch mark. I'm going to give an additional 1 inch seam allowance. So this is the waist, and then this is the hip measurement. Taking my hip curve, I'm going to place this and draw a curve. I'm going to take this measurement all the way down. Then from this point to this point, I'm going to draw a straight line. Now, to insert the dart, remember I gave 1 inch allowance for the seam and 1 inch allowance for the dart. So, from this folding, I'm going to take 4 inch to this point. This is our 4 inch. Then I'm going to come down by 4 and half. 4 inch and then 4 and half. Taking a ruler, I'm going to draw a straight line. So this is our dart line. Remember the 1 inch allowance I gave for the dart. So I'm going to make sure I place this in the center, and then I'm going to give ½ inch on both sides, ½ inch on this side, ½ inch on this side, giving it 1 inch allowance. So I'm going to draw this to nothing. So this is for our darts. Now, when we have this, our front panel is ready if we are making a straight cut skirt. But because this is a pencil skirt, I am going to show you the difference. But before then, let me cut off the areas that we don't need in this. So this is our skirt. Now, but because we are making, this is a straight cut skirt. If I am making a straight cut skirt, then this front panel is ready. But because I am making a pencil skirt, I'm going to come down from the hip line. I'm going to come down by 2.5 or 3. It depends on what you want. At this point, I'm going to go in by 1 inch. Taking a straight ruler, from this point, I'm going to connect this. This is what we have. Then for the hem, I'm not going to draw a straight line because so this is what we have. So our front panel is ready. This is for the back panel. What I'm going to do for the back panel is to give 3-inch allowance for the vents. This is the allowance I gave for the zipper and then the vent. I'm going to take this one, the front panel, and place it against this line. Make sure this fold in here touches the line or matches with the line. So I'm going to give it a nice cut. Then coming over to the vent, it depends on how high you want your vent to be. From this point, from the full length, I'm going to take it up by 8 inch. This is how high I want my vent to be. Then I'm going to give 1 inch allowance for the zipper. So from this point, I'm going to cut. The next thing I'm going to do to create the vent, you place this. So from this point, Going to cut on the line. So this is our back. Then to insert the dart, I'm going to do just exactly what I did when I inserted the dart for the front panel. I'm marking 4 inch, and I'll draw a straight line. Then give so this is the back. So for the vent, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate these two. So if you place it side by side, this is what you have. So for this one on this side, I'm going to mark 2 inch from the edge. Remember what we gave was 3 inch. Then we took 1 inch for the zipper allowance, so we are left with 2 inch. So this is what we have. So I'm going to gently fold on this line. From this point, I'm going to come down by 1/4 inch mark. So this is what we have. Then I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut straight on this line. When I get to that 1/4 inch, on this side, I'm going to mark 1/4 inch. Then from this angle, I'll take it off. So this is what we have. So gently cut this one off. So I just created the vent for the back. This is the front, and then this is the back. So in the next video, I'll show you how to place this on the fabric, because what you are seeing right here is quite, or looks quite confusing, and if you are not conversant with making skirt vents or making vents either on shoes or on whatever, you are going to find this very confusing. So I'm going to do a second part where I'll show you the one to place on the main fabric and the one to place on the lining. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on the bell icon so you get notified once I upload a new video. Until next time guys, my name is Ruby and this is Ruby's TV. Bye.